Alright, so normally, in order to make DOT or damage over time, you have to enable no stun and no cancel. Now, no stun is fine because you can just add a state node and add stun, but the problem here is that when you hit a person that has the passive damage, it cancels it. So, in order to fix this, you have to enable no cancel. Now, no cancel, it doesn't cancel if we hit them, which is good. But this causes another problem, and now the actual move doesn't get canceled. So this is where we actually get into the video. Pausing the video real quick. This moveset in the background I'm using is for my project I'm working on, Jujutsu Unleashed. So if you want to be able to play, just join my Discord server to know when I host. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to make passive damage and how to make the move cancelable with no cancel. Yeah. So first, you want to send them to a branch. In this branch, you can add any VFX you want. It really doesn't matter. The wait is how long between each tick of damage. So right now I have it as 1 second, but you can make it whatever you want. For the damage, like the actual damage, there's 2 ways you can do this. So you can either use a hitbox or add a negative add health node. The problem with using a hitbox is that every tick you're gonna get awakening bar. So if you don't want that, then just use the add health node, but if you do, then you can just use a hitbox. If you do use add health, you want to add another hitbox, but this one don't make it do any damage, and make sure it has no kill off. And then for the branch finisher, in that branch, just put whatever you want in there. That's gonna be the finisher for it. Alright, so now in the loop, for the loop back, just make it loop the entire branch, and for the loop amount, that's how many times you want it to loop. So I have it at 5 right now, so it does it 5 times. You can make it whatever you want, it really doesn't matter. And boom, now you've figured out how to make passive damage. Now the next part is figuring out how to actually make the move cancelable. Because right now we have the no cancel property so that the damage doesn't get canceled, the fire damage, but now the actual move isn't cancelable, so now we have to fix that. So first you're going to want to get a counter node, and in this node select all these attack types. You don't really have to use swarm, but I just have that there anyway. Don't select domain because domain isn't going to cancel you anyway. For the time, just make it last however long the move lasts for. Stun, make it 0. Have cancel enemy off, and for the branch, make it branch you to cancel. Alright, in the cancel branch, you can add a cancel node or a wait for 0 seconds. Just anything that like doesn't do anything. And that's it. In the counter node though, make sure it has remove on hit and continue. Make sure it has both of those on, or else it's not gonna work. And boom, there you have it. Now you're done. Now the move is cancelable, and landing the fire damage, you see I'm punching the dummy and it's not canceling it. So that's it. If you want more tutorials like this, subscribe and join my Discord in the bio so you can know when I post, and that's really it, yeah.